I'm sure at some point in your life you have been told that something is just driving something that's maybe gotten out of control. But when it comes to weight loss, your mind can be your most powerful ally. So let's look at ways to keep your thoughts positive so that you can be on the way to losing weight, doing it the right way. The worst time to lose weight is when you're feeling bad about yourself or when you're feeling bad about your body. This is when you start jumping into some of those fad diets, those quick fixes, those things that are really unhealthy that may help you to lose a little bit of weight, but in the long run, you're going to be less healthy for it. When you get obsessed in this area, you lose focus on your health goals and you'll start seeing not only your weight fluctuating up and down, but seeing your health fluctuate up and down. And no one improves when we have that. So let's look at some strategies to keep the right mindset for healthy weight loss. Step number 1, make sure you're setting the right goals. Where large amounts of weight loss is a good goal to have, it shouldn't be the only goal. You should make sure you're setting small, realistic goals, and that way you'll be able to monitor your progress. Get a journal, monitor how things are changing over the course of time, track those goals, and you're much more likely to achieve them. When you keep that journal, make sure you're using it to log your successes, not just your failures or frustration. You can do this and have a lot of fun while you're working on losing weight. Did you eat enough fruits and vegetables today? Check. Did you exercise 30 minutes today? Check. Those are some of the things that you can track in your journal. You can even photocopy that checklist, keep it by your bed, and that way you're reminded of it every single day. And remember, each of your goals don't necessarily have to be daily goals. Where it's good to exercise every day, many people get benefits exercising 3 times a week for an hour. So remember that. Don't feel so caught up in making sure that you have every single day goals. Just make sure your goals are realistic, attainable. Maybe you've heard of the SMART goal setting system, where your goals are specific, where they're measurable, where they're attainable or action oriented, whether they're realistic, and making them time dependent. Being very clear on the goals that you set will help to ensure your success. The next step, celebrate milestones with non-food rewards. How many times have you decided or told yourself, if I accomplish this goal, I'm going to treat myself to insert whatever unhealthy food item here. Like I'll treat myself to a pizza or some ice cream or brownies. When you achieve a goal, you want to celebrate with something that's not food related. If you continually do that, you'll reset your mind to think that food is, you don't want to convince yourself that food is a reward. If you do, then you're constantly going to be associating some unhealthy food with joy or a success, and that's going to hold back your progress. Maybe on your goal sheet, when you lose the right amount of weight that you're working on, maybe you make yourself nice stickers to put on that sheet, or maybe you save up to buy yourself something special, like a dress or a new outfit or something like that. That'll be a lot better benefit than a gallon of ice cream. Just make sure you stay positive and realistic. Step number 3, take a breather. Now, you don't have to meditate for a long period of time to take advantage of intentional breathing. When you're about to do something that's going to help you achieve your weight loss goal, just take a moment, stop, smile, and breathe. That breath, that extra oxygen into your brain as you're getting ready to perform this activity that's going to make you get healthier is going to have an impact on your health. You can do that at any time, when you're sitting down to dinner, when you get a healthy food item at your favorite restaurant, when you're getting ready to work out, when you're getting ready to do something that is moving you in that direction. Stop, take a moment to be present in what you're doing. Step 4, remember what you're measuring. So many times we get so caught up in the number, the weight, the thing on the scale, that we forget what it really is that we're trying to accomplish. Remember, what's on that scale is just a number. Don't use that number and let it define you or define the person that you are. You don't want to take something that's meant for informational purposes to use that to define yourself or use it to judge yourself. In fact, if looking at the scale for you has been a negative activity or something that's self-destructive, you may just need to put that scale away. If you're following the right steps to help you lose weight, to help you achieve better health, then you're going to accomplish that. And you'll notice it with numbers that aren't on the scale. You'll notice it in the way your clothes fit. You'll notice in the way the muscle that you're building. You'll notice just simply in the way that you feel, the way you go about your normal everyday activity. Keeping a positive mindset is really the key to achieving your weight loss goals. It may seem like mumbo jumbo, but it is going to make a difference for you in helping you to lose weight, but also in having the right attitude so that you can keep the weight off. Follow those 4 steps and you'll be on your way to being healthier for a lifetime. If you'd like a nutritional consultation where we can talk about how you can lose weight, how you can live healthier, how you can be free of inflammation, how you can use your diet in a way that's going to give you energy, then contact our office and we'll schedule a time for a nutritional consultation, and I look forward to serving you. I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins, and I hope you have a great day.